Hey, Dana here. Yeah, welcome to my vlog. And this is... Hey, Dana here. And welcome to my vlog. And this is day trading. I'm not a professional trader. I'm just trading and sharing my vlog with you as to my experiences. And today, this is the week of December 17th, 2017. And it was an exciting, for me it was an exciting day. One of my stocks that I had set to sell earlier in the month that sold, I waited for it to come back down and I started buying again on that stock. Well, that stock got up to a certain point after I'd already bought up and used up my entire profit that I had gained from selling that. It had started going back down again, and the stock that I had sold earlier, well, a couple weeks ago, I'm still waiting for it to come down, and it's been staying at the same price for about a week now. It might drop down 1 or 2 cents, but it's nowhere down where I had set to sell it. So I was watching it. I was watching this other stock again, and I said, you know, it's coming down. It's coming down again from where I had set to buy it up. And it's been, that stock had been coming down, and it was like within 2 cents of where I wanted to buy it. So I felt it was coming down. So what I did is I took the funds that I had for the other one that has just been sitting there, and I decided to go ahead and increase my stock, increase buying more stocks. And when I did, the minute I hit it, it blocked me because it executed. I actually bought the, I bought that percentage that I'd already set for I'd set a couple weeks ago, to sell. So it was, again, it was down. It was within 2 cents of where I had chose to buy that stock, and I decided to buy more. And when I did, it wouldn't let me because it had executed at that moment. So what I did is I had a gut feeling that it was going to keep going down. Dropped the price for me to buy it another 5 cents. Actually, it was only 3 cents. Yeah, about 3 cents. And set that, and within, I gotta say, within an hour or so, it dropped again. And it dropped out another 7 cents. It went from 52 down to 48. So it bottomed out at 48, and now it's back up. It is back up to 56. So accumulated 2 solid buys today on that one stock, and it that stock did really well when I sold it last month. So that's why I felt like I needed to buy that stock and buy as much of it as I can. So the other stock that I'm still waiting for to come back down is still sitting there. So I'll continue to buy on that, but I want that to come down. And I really can't say whether it's going to come down, but I feel it will. That's the way I've got the feeling with these particular stocks. I don't know why, but the one that I bought up today, I've now sold twice and made a good profit off of it. So it is now come down again. So I've set that at where I bought originally on that cost. So it came down, and it went up to where I wanted to sell it at, and I sold it, and then waited a while, and then it came back down again, and it's gone back up. So now it's come back down again. Now I bought up again. So it's happened 3 times with this particular stock. It's kind of maybe a rare circumstance that it has, you know. So, but anyway, thanks for listening to me ramble on. But it was a great trading day for me, and it was just a freak when I checked it, and I decided, well, you know, it's down 2 cents. It's within 2 cents of my buying it. So I think I'm going to move this other profits from this other stock over to it and buy up more. I'd set it to buy at 250, 252. Actually, 255 was the first time, and then I set it for 253 the second time, and then actually went on down to 248, and now it's back up to 256. So I'm a penny above what I originally sold the first one for, or bought the first one for. The only thing is, my average, you would think that would be a positive. Well, it is, but technically it's still a negative, because by buying up, and unfortunately when I had to do it twice, that's $5 commission each time. So I had to spend $10 in commission. Total commission on that now, with the total amount of shares I have, is $30. So you got to subtract when you finally sell it and you get your profit, you're going to have to deduct the $30 from your profit. And with that said, the average cost per share for my total amount is $2.60. And of course, every time you buy, you're going to lower your cost on that. So then it's going to, you know, multiply up. But I'm not really at 256. I'm still negative. It's going to have to come up to 260 to consider breaking even, and then it'll grow from there. But out of the 6 different companies that I've invested in today, that I have today, and unfortunately my 7th one is I'm still waiting on it. I have a negative $314. So that's where I sit. There's actually one stock that I've actually is $2.21, and my average cost of it is $2.19. So it's a positive closing for this week. So, all right, thanks again for listening to me ramble on. But definitely comment and subscribe. And again, I'm not a professional trader. I'm just sharing my experiences in day trading. Have a Merry Christmas. And we will catch you on the next Day Trading.